Hi, Simply ladies. The live's about to start. Come on in.
Welcome to Simply, where every stitch tells a story. Proudly Canadian, we design and create our garments right here in Vancouver, BC, supporting our local community every step of the way. Our journey begins with high-quality fabrics meticulously chosen to ensure every piece we create is as durable as it is beautiful. From fabric selection to the final stitch, everything happens under one roof, allowing us to maintain rigorous quality standards. We're also proud to maintain a home sewing network. It's a cornerstone of Simply's mission. This initiative empowers talented women to sew from the comfort of their homes, giving them the flexibility to balance work and family life while contributing to our shared vision of quality and craftsmanship. Our designs are brought to life on real bodies, with feedback from our dedicated fit models, ensuring that every Simply piece is made for a flawless, everyday fit. This commitment to inclusivity and comfort means our clothing looks and feels incredible on everyone. At Simply, we believe in creating clothing that lasts a lifetime. Timeless designs, unparalleled quality, and a deep connection to the people and the places that make it all possible. Now let's get started.
Welcome back, Simply ladies. We hope you loved that little behind the scenes of our factory. We are now in the creative room where we'll be presenting our core essentials to you. This is all about different lengths, different necklines, a versatile wardrobe that you can mix and match with any of the pieces you already own in your closet and any of the seasonal finds you have that you want to pop over top. Having a core essential line, having those classics in your closet make getting dressed in the morning as easy as can be. You're gonna love the pieces we have today. We also have a special announcement. We know you guys were so excited about our Plus offering. Well, we're bringing it back bigger and better than ever. There's gonna be even more to choose from, so stay tuned because that information will be released very soon. And as always, we are doing a giveaway. So 3 lucky ladies will get to choose a go-to classic tee of their choice in the length that they like and the sleeve length that they like. So get commenting, get engaging with us, and you might just win your favorite piece as well. So let's hop right in and get started. Let's welcome Sandra. Sandra is one of our lovely Simply ladies. She is a 5'6", and she is wearing our brand new go-to V-neck tank relax, the short version in the size 12. This is a new shorter length. It is great to pop over your wide leg pants, a flattering V neckline finished with a skinny band, and the new shorter length to pair with your favorite wide leg pants. So you can show off your waistband of your Trumpet pant. I know our ladies love this waistband. It also really elongates you with this type of pant and then this shorter length. It just creates a really balanced, elegant look. And the Trumpet pant is a classic that you guys know and love. It's the size 12 on Sandra right now, designed with the flattering trumpet leg silhouette and the oh so comfortable yoke waistband. These pants are suitable for any occasion, from casual outings to formal events. They're so versatile. You can pair them effortlessly with so many different tops. They are a must-have for your closet just because of how versatile they are. And that is the whole reason we've included them in this collection. And I do want to just quickly pop in just to show you the difference here. I am actually wearing the regular length V-neck tank. So I know we're a bit different heights. I'm about 5'7", 5'8", so but you can kind of see the length difference of this. If I was to wear the short, it would probably be up around here, just as you can see. Depending on what you want to wear or what your kind of style vibe you're going for, you can pick the short or the long. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sandra. On to look number 2. Let's welcome in Jerry. And again, Jerry is one of our lovely Simply ladies. She is 5'8", and she is wearing our Slouch sweatshirt in a size 18. As you can see, has a lovely slouch neckline, a boxy, fuller fit that is a little bit shorter in length. This shorter length works so well when pairing it with a high-waisted pant or a jogger. It just keeps the whole look feeling very sleek and balanced. It doesn't weigh you down. The neckline is so elevated under a jacket even. It looks So like a little bit of a pop of a detail to make a piece more than just a classic tee underneath your jackets. It's one of those classics you'll find yourself reaching for all the time, just because it does elevate any other layers you add on top of it. And it also adds a little bit more texture and a little bit more just oomph to your outfit. You can add a scarf or go sporty with some sneakers, as we have on Jerry here right now. You can even add a ball cap and a crossbody bag. It's just so easy to dress how you'd like it. And we have this paired with the side slit wide capri in a size 18. This has, as you can see, the side slit in the bottom of the pants, and it has the very comfortable high yoke waistband, which adds figure flattering support. I just absolutely love this kind of waistband, and I know a lot of other ladies do as well, just for how supportive it does feel. And it does have no pockets, so that's an important feature to know, but these pants flow so beautifully. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, whatever works for the styling you're looking to go for that day. This is a piece you, again, will find yourself reaching for over and over. Thank you so much, Jerry. So let's bring on out look number 3. We have Jerry coming on in, and she is wearing our new go-to classic tee relax, the short version. This is 3 inches shorter than our best-selling classic top you know and love. It is a 3/4 sleeve, and it does have the subtle rounded hem at the base and even at the back, which just adds a little bit of the coverage that you guys know and love. And it has a subtle draping at the front as well, and some subtle side slits on the side. And this top, ladies, is offered in plus. We have Jerry in the size OX, of course in the color black, and it is just such a beautiful fit with the narrow lantern pant. But let me just have Jerry quickly change out into the classic top, just so you can see the difference between the short and the long, so you can choose which is best for you. So this is the quick swap out we did for the go-to classic tee relax 3/4 sleeve, the regular length you know and love. Again, we have her in a size 0X. And this is also offered in plus, so ladies rejoice, we have options for you as well. This is the exact same shirt as you saw before, it's just a little bit longer. So depending on the style you're going for, what kind of a pant you're pairing it with, kind of the whole energy you're going for with your outfit, you can choose the short or the long. And as you can see in the back, we do have a little bit more coverage with a little bit of a longer swoop. So that might be a style preference for you based on the pant you're wearing. They are both such beautiful shirts. They just work differently depending on the style you're going for. And as you can see, we have them paired with the narrow lantern pant in black. This is a size 18, and this, ladies, is also offered in plus. It pairs perfectly with shorter tops that accentuate its high yoke waistband, but it also works with the longer top, just like this, if you want a little bit more coverage. And it is ankle length with a wide lantern shape at the leg and stitched down side pockets. And I happen to know that Jerry owns 2 of these for herself, and she just loves them. So I want to ask her why she loves these pants so much, just like so many of you.
So with the lantern pants, these are so comfortable. You can wear them. These are my travel pants.
Okay.
So when I go traveling, I wear these all the time. I always come off the plane looking clean and spiffy, and I don't really feel that way after traveling 8 to 14 hours on a plane, wherever you're going. They dress up really nice, and I've used them even for yoga or exercise, like movement.
That's such a good idea.
Just because they wash and wear. Like, so you travel with them, they are the best. Actually, all the pieces work really well that way. So it's a great travel outfit.
Amazing. Yeah, so many of our ladies love these pants for the same reasons. They're a classic for a reason, and why everyone needs them in their closet. Thank you so much. For look number 4, we're bringing back out Sandra. And just as a reminder, she is 5'6", and we have her in the new soft square neck top with short sleeves. This is a size 12. It's the same flattering fit as our best-selling go-to classic tee with a straight hem. It's the perfect foundation for any outfit. And as you can see, it does have a square neckline, which is just a nice additional piece to add to your wardrobe. Depending on what you're layering it with, this will work so well under different layers, where sometimes you might want a V-neck, but sometimes a square neck just adds a little bit more of a chic look. This is a classic fit with flattering side slits and a straight hem. And we have this paired with the new straight leg crop. She is wearing a size 12. This is featuring a sleek 1 1/4 inch elastic waistband. And And we have angled front pockets. It's just such a chic design. It just exudes elegance. It is a straight leg, relaxed fit. And now we do want to show you, because we keep talking about layers, so let's show you what kind of layering options you can pair with this. We're going to start with the new cropped core vest. This is a size 12, so I'll have you just pop this on. It is a beautiful new piece. The cropped core vest is a classic short length vest featuring front drape pockets and a beautiful step hem on the side, just meaning that it drops down a little bit, which just adds a little bit more texture and detail to really elevate the piece. And let's show you another layer, because there's so many options you can pair with a top like this. So let's go on to the Mezza Luna cardigan.
Maybe you're going for a more elegant look, then the Mezza Luna cardigan is such an easy layer for this. Because of the mesh, it does make it look very chic. But maybe you're looking for something more polished and put together, then you can go for the classic jacket. This is in the navy stripe. When you have good basics, good essentials, you can layer anything over top. You can pick those seasonal pieces and just know that they're going to work in your closet. And that's what's so great about this square neck top and all these pieces we're showing today. And maybe you're going on a trip. I know a lot of trips happen in the winter. You can throw on the Honeycomb Shrug, the bestseller. Again, when you have these core basics, you know that whatever layer you get, you're gonna be able to have options to throw on top.
Now we have the new go-to classic slim. This is a slimmer fit version of the classic T-Relax that you know and love. It is more fitted and it does not have the side slits on the side. So if you do want something that's a little bit more slim fitting, this will be your go-to. And let's just see to show you the different looks we can pair with this. So let's go back to the cropped core vest in black. Now on to look number 5, we'll bring Jerry back on out. She is wearing our go-to tank relax in white. This is a size 0X. It is offered in plus, ladies. It is our best-selling go-to tank relax. It's a wardrobe staple all year round. It's just so easy to mix into your looks. It's crafted from our versatile and elevated washable jersey fabric. It has a relaxed fit and just the right amount of stretch, especially with the wide side slits. You just have a lot of movement. You feel very free and just beautiful in this piece, and it's so easy to layer. And we have this paired with the narrow pant midi. She is wearing a size 18. This is also offered in plus, ladies. It is a best-selling narrow pant midi crafted to flatter your figure by gently sculpting your body, but it never feels uncomfortable or restrictive, which is the key when we design these pieces. We want you to feel good and look amazing. It has a slimming leg and a 28-inch inseam, which reaches the ankle. It adds comfort with a supportive fold-over tack waistband, which you can adjust to however height you prefer. And it is a tapered silhouette, making it very clean, effortless, and just feeling so polished no matter what you pair it with. But we want to show you, what if you want to add a little layer to this? Let's change this look up a bit. We're going to throw on the new V-neck Bolero. It is a size 18. It has a V neckline for versatile layering over any tops. I just love how this drapes over top of this go-to classic tank. It just makes the piece feel a little bit more elevated and polished. It takes it from just a classic to a little bit more formal. Just so easy to change your look with one little layer, and that is all the benefit of having these core pieces in your closet. But let's show you, maybe you have some seasonal pieces you want to mix in, and that is so easy to do with this look. So let's start by mixing in the best-selling Honeycomb Shrug in white. This is a size extra large. So now look number 6, let's invite back out Sandra. So Sandra is wearing the new square fit and flare dress. This, ladies, will be offered in plus on pre-order early February, and you can get it in black or a new color that we cannot say, but get excited because it is very pretty. This is our figure flattering silhouette that effortlessly complements all body types just with such an elegant style. It does have a beautiful square neckline, which is so flattering on such a variety of different chest sizes. It works for nearly everyone. It's a classic fit and flare silhouette that effortlessly enhances the curves of any woman. And just a little behind the scenes here, we do fit on real women. So all our pieces are fit on different body sizes so that we can make sure it will look good on anyone that slips it on. This is a dress you want in your closet to go out in the evening, but you could easily dress it down with some sneakers. It's your go-to that you can wear on so many occasions. It's one of those staples that is necessary for your closet, but we want to show you how you can change this look up with some layers. So let's start by adding in the V-neck Bolero in black.
As soon as we add the Bolero on top of this dress, we instantly elevate the look. As easy as that, we went from a simple, maybe a dinner date out to a very formal event just by adding a Bolero cardigan. When you have these core essentials in your closet, it is so easy to get dressed for any event. It's just about adding layers and accessories. This just works so well, especially with her own necklaces. I think it looks fabulous. But maybe you want to look a little bit more sporty, and that's also easy to do with this dress. Maybe you're going on a trip. You can easily throw on the Honeycomb Shrug, again, one of the best sellers, and you already look like you're ready for your cruise. Just throw on some sandals, change up your jewelry, and you're ready to go. As easy as that, you have one dress that can literally work into any event in your life. How good is that?
So for look number 7, let's bring on out Jerry. She is wearing our new fit and flare dress, the short sleeve in a size 0X. This will be offered in plus on pre-order in early February, and just like the last dress, it is available in black and a new color, which you'll hear about very soon. And can you guess the color? Let's just hear some guesses. What do you guys think the new color will be that we're releasing? We'd love to see your guesses, and we are here listening to you, so get chatting with us. This piece features short sleeves and a flattering fit and flare silhouette that is just so complementary to every body type and complete with practical inseam pockets for added convenience. I know there's a bunch of ladies going, yes, at home, because everyone loves their pockets. And it does also have a scoop neckline finished with a band, which just adds a little bit more of a subtle detail there just to elevate the piece. The fit and flare shape with side seam pockets and a length that hits mid-calf. This is a dress that you cannot go wrong with. It is so flattering. It looks absolutely fabulous on Jerry. I love how we styled it up with her accessories today to make it very hip and cool. This dress is, again, something that's so versatile depending on whatever occasion you're going to. You can dress it up, dress it down. But let's bring back out Sandra, because we saw her last in the square neck fit and flare dress, just to show you 2 different dress options that are so easy to style. They could go out together. They could go out dancing. They could go out to dinner. They just look ready to party. Such a beautiful, beautiful look on both of them, and just so flattering on every shape. And again, these are our Simply ladies just like you. We're so thankful that they volunteered for us to come and model for us today. They look stunning. All our ladies do so good. But thank you so much, Sandra and Jerry. You guys did fabulous. Thank you so much for tuning in to this Core Essentials Live. We are still here with you now, answering your questions, so you still have time. Ask away. We'll try to get to each and every one of you. Just a reminder, we will be picking one winner to pick a go-to classic tee of their choice of length, so all the more reason to ask your question. We're here to help, and you might win from it. Also, be sure to check out your favorite local retailers, because they have these pieces as well, or you can shop online at simply.com. And when you wear these pieces, be sure to snap a picture and tag us at Simply Style so that we can see and share how you're styling all your pieces, because I know for each and every one of us, we get inspiration from what other people are doing. And who knows, someone might love your piece so much that they wear exactly what you wore. Thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.